Ever thought of taking a vacation in the breathtaking ancient city of Machu Picchu? No? Well, now you're thinking about it. Imagine yourself in a place where the world's history and natural beauty collide, where you can touch the clouds and revisit the grandeur of an ancient civilization, a place that whispers tales of the Inca Empire set high in the Andes Mountains, a place where every stone has a story to tell. Intrigued yet? We're just getting started. Now, imagine waking up to the sight of an ancient city nestled high in the Andes Mountains. That's the daily reality for the locals here. While you're wrestling with your alarm clock in the morning, the locals are already up, welcoming the sunrise with the majestic Machu Picchu as their backdrop. Instead of being stuck in traffic or squashed in a subway car, they're casually hiking mountains, breathing in the fresh air, and soaking up the breathtaking views. Their morning workout? A brisk walk up the terraced hills to feed the llamas. That's right, no need for a gym membership when you have the Andes as your treadmill. And instead of a morning coffee run, it's a dash to the llama pen. Can you picture it? Trading in your espresso shot for a fluffy llama cuddle? Lunchtime isn't a rushed sandwich at your desk, but a leisurely meal enjoyed with a view of the sun-drenched stone ruins. And while you're counting down to the weekend, every day here feels like a mini vacation. Evenings are not for TV binges but for community gatherings under the starlit sky with the soft hum of pan flutes filling the air. It's a different pace of life, one that's closer to nature and rich with cultural heritage. So if you're looking to trade skyscrapers for mountains, Machu Picchu is the place to be. And let's not forget about the food. Peru is a gastronomic paradise. Imagine a fusion of flavors that tickles your taste buds and leaves you yearning for more. That's exactly what the Peruvian cuisine does. It's an artful blend of indigenous traditions with a touch of Spanish, African, and Asian influences. First off, we've got ceviche, the national dish, fresh fish marinated in citrus juices spiced with ají or chili peppers. It's a refreshing dish that packs a punch. Then there's lomo saltado, a stir-fry that marries east and west with juicy beef, tomatoes, peppers, and onions, all flambéed with soy sauce and served with crispy fries and rice. And if you're feeling adventurous, try the kai or guinea pig, a delicacy that's been part of the Andean diet for thousands of years. Remember, forget about your diet because Peru's cuisine is a love letter to your taste buds. So pack your appetite because Peru is ready to serve. But let's not get too carried away. There's more to Peru than just Machu Picchu. Indeed, this country is a treasure trove of wonders just waiting to be discovered. Think you've seen high? Well, strap on your hiking boots and catch your breath because the Rainbow Mountain is about to take you to a whole new level. This natural wonder is like an artist's palette splashed across the Andean landscape. And if you're a beach lover, don't worry, Peru has got that covered too. Mancora, a sunny beach town in the north where the sun is always shining and the surf is always up. Prefer something a bit more urban? Lima, the bustling capital, is a melting pot of cultures and flavors. Here, colonial architecture meets modern skyscrapers, and the nightlife? It's the stuff of legends. So, if you're looking for an adventure of a lifetime, Peru has got you covered. But why are we still talking about it? It's time to pack your bags. Let's take a moment to reflect on our journey so far. We've soared among the clouds in the ancient city of Machu Picchu, a testament to the ingenuity of the Incan civilization. We've tasted the delectable flavors of Peru, from the tangy ceviche to the hearty lomo saltado. We've explored beyond the familiar, going off the beaten path to discover the hidden treasures that Peru has to offer. We've immersed ourselves in the vibrant local culture, partaking in their daily activities and indulging in the dynamic nightlife. We've met the warm and welcoming Peruvians, who've shared with us their stories, their traditions, and their love for their homeland. We've only scratched the surface of what this diverse country has to offer. Every corner holds a new adventure, every day brings a new surprise. Your next journey is just a decision away. The adventure awaits in Peru. Are you ready to answer the call? Enter the